In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
we will be completing the broken keyboard challenge. In this challenge, you must write a function that receives two strings. The first string is what was supposed to have been typed on the keyboard, and the second string is what was actually typed. Your function should return a list of unique broken keys, ordered by when they first appear in the sentence.
Before we get started with the tutorial, to participate in this and future coding challenges, register for a free account at edabit.com. It's fun, it's extremely effective, and it's free forever. You can learn more about it by watching the video at this link, now.
Today's coding solution incorporates a hash set of characters, and an array list of strings. Since our method will always receive two strings of equal lengths, the for loop is used to walk through and compare the characters of each string. When a difference is found, the character from the first string is inserted into the hash set. If the hash set doesn't already contain the character is inserted into the array list. This ensures that the array list only contains unique broken characters, in the order in which they occurred in the string. Finally, the array list is converted to an array which is returned to the caller. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Post your questions and comments below. If you have a better solution, let's hear about it below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?